Welcome back to the channel. We are in Rhyolite Ghost Town, just outside of Death Valley. What are we doing?
Well, once again, we're excited to be part of the Harley-Davidson bike launch, this year's model year 2026. If you're watching this video on the day it drops, that means Harley-Davidson just dropped their 2026 bike year model launch. And guess what? The Limiteds are back, and I'm on the 2026 Road Glide Limited. What are you riding?
I'm on the 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited. Awesome.
So you know how we ride, man. So let's go put these bikes through the paces in Death Valley National Park.
Let's do it.
So man, we are here at Badwater Basin. What a beautiful ride today, and this color against the lake is great. What are your first impressions on this bike with the power?
One, I want to start off by saying we rode through rain, wind, a lot of harsh conditions. The power of this machine is simply amazing. The 121, you got it right there, but then when you add the VVT, I mean, for me, you're shifting through gears. You could be in the wrong gear. You could be in fourth gear going 80 down the highway. And when you look down, you go, oh, I better go shift up because I got more in there. It's amazing power band. It's very forgiving.
So what did you think about the comfort of the bike when you were riding it?
The seat was awesome. I like where the bars are. Everything about it's smooth. The suspension's awesome. And these inverted forks right here, they handle it. They're perfect. It made the ride amazing. I mean, you go back to this, you got a good windshield on it. It gets you covered. Heated grips.
Yeah.
The seat's extra comfortable. It's got a nice little back support here, and it's heated as well. So I gotta say, I kinda went for those comfort zones.
So you said it's heated as well. Did you turn the heat on?
Yes, I did.
You admit that?
I admit that.
That's awesome.
Not only is my seat heated, the passenger seat is heated, the backrest is heated, and the passenger seat also has a little bit bigger of an area, and Laura loved that. So you were awful comfortable back there, and I didn't hear a peep out of you. So what did you think of all this?
You didn't hear a peep out of me because this seat was so comfortable. The heated seat and the heated backrest, I don't think I'm ever going back to a regular seat again. Sorry. And I love the width of this seat. I have to say this seat is more comfortable, wider, just makes for a better ride.
The comfort, simply amazing. And when you get really into it and you get a couple hundred miles under your belt, you don't even realize, you're just looking at scenery going, I am on a powerful, comfortable machine.
So we just walked you through Lance's first impressions. Now let's get into a little bit more detail about the bike. What color are you rocking?
This is the Electric Coast two-tone with chrome trim. It has clear anodized fork uppers and brake calipers. The wheels are split 7-spoke cast aluminum. The bike features the carbide collection for the heated grips, rider floorboards, highway pegs, and passenger floorboards. The CVO Street Glide Limited also comes in beautiful citrus heat tri-tone with black onyx trim. The Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 powertrain features 139 foot-pounds of torque and 115 horsepower. Let's get into some of the new features, starting with the Tour Pack. This is the brand new Grand Tour Pack with integrated LED lighting and power locks. There's also a restyled taillight that gives it that classic look. And moving towards the front of the bike, we have 6 beautiful Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 high-performance speakers. The CVO infotainment system comes with navigation that's integrated and 5 ride modes. I love the navigation that's integrated in the system. I love the sound of the music. You can be going fast and hear it, and I love the fact you can use your CarPlay. We did a lot of riding in the rain, and I gotta tell you, these lowers right here, they did the job. I loved it, and the integrated LED fog lights, love them. So I love the amount of detail. I love the coloring. I love the CVO badging here. I love the Harley shield. I mean, it's stepped off the bike. It's in the gray area, silver, and it's got a little outline of blue. And look at this detail right here, blue on the chrome. There are a lot of features on this bike that I love. I love the front fork Showa. And you know what? The rear suspension is fully adjustable. I don't care what you have, if you're solo, if you have your wife, if you have cargo. And also this knob right here. You can adjust on the fly. I love that. I suggest going to a dealer because you're gonna see it, feel it, touch it, sit on it, maybe ride it.
Great job. A lot of features on these bikes, but the sun is setting.
It sure is.
We gotta get out of here. But up next, you're gonna see the 2026 Road Glide Limited features.
We are at Dante's View, and I cannot think of a better place to showcase this bike because the colors are amazing, the view's amazing, so get into it.
Yeah, as I said earlier, the Limiteds are back, and I'm happy to ride this 2026 Road Glide Limited. It's a purple abyss with the vivid black. Man, it's a beautiful bike, but I really want to get into the powertrain, the 117 VVT. It's got a lot of gump, and I want to talk a little bit about that. So let's get into the 117 VVT. From the model year 24, this bike has 7.5% more torque and 14% more horsepower. And I gotta tell you, I can feel that in every gear. The power bend is super smooth, especially when you've got a passenger on or you're loaded like we had Teresa on the back here. I'm in 6th gear and I can just roll that throttle to make a pass, and I felt it all the way through. Super easy, great riding bike, and I love the powertrain. So while we're talking about performance, let me remind you of one other thing. This 2026 Road Glide Limited is 13 pounds lighter than its predecessor. And on the Street Glide, that bike is 24 pounds lighter than its predecessor. The power and rideability really is increased by the help of the VVT. And I gotta tell you, you can feel it through every gear. It's great, it's smooth, and there's something to be said about that power band. So this year in 2026, some items that change for comfort are the taller windshield by 4 inches. You got the new lowers on the bottom for leg protection. You've got these great heated grips and heated rider and passenger seat with a larger pillion for the passenger and an integrated backrest into the tour pack.
I really loved the seat. The heat was amazing, and like Laura said, I will not go back.
You won't?
I will not. And the comfort, the fact that they widen the seat is incredible. Soft cushion, heat. The backrest has been redesigned and it was really supportive and comfortable.
So while we're here at the rear of the bike, let's talk about the redesign of the Grand Tour Pack. As you can see, the lines marry very well with the look of the bike. This Tour Pack also holds 2 helmets and has an integrated taillight, which I know all of you are asking for. In addition to down on the fender here, you got the homage back to the Limiteds, and you've got that single tail light that's LED as well. It's got a beautiful look and it works well at night and during the day. So let's talk wheels. As you can see, this is an all new cast wheel. It's got 10 spokes, but the magic is it splits into 20. It's got a really cool look for it. Great new adjusted and tuned front end along with the rear. So for long rides and comfortability, the suspension is really dialed in. So on the fly, the rear suspension has adjustability as well. You can adjust the dial in the back, whether you've got a passenger carrying luggage or you're just solo. So just a few more things I want to mention. This bike is equipped with the highway pegs here. Been a long time since I used those, but I did use them on the trip, and man, did I stretch out. The other thing that I thought was really cool is the integrated LED lights into the lower fairings, another great feature. So the other thing I want to mention is the Rockford Fosgate system on this comes with a 100% power increase over the prior system. You got 2 6.5 speakers in the front, 2 in the passenger rear here. You also get the infotainment system, you get the integrated maps, which I love. And look, there's one other thing I want to mention is the rear heel shifter. I rock that all the time, you're gonna love it. This bike is made for touring. So let's talk colors a little bit. These bikes, both the Street Glide and the Road Glide Limited, come in various colors, but there's two new colors. One of them that I'm on is the Purple Abyss with vivid black. Both the Street Glide and Road Glide also come in the olive steel metallic with vivid black. And I gotta tell you, the way the appointments are and the way the paint comes together, it's beautiful. You also have a couple of other paint features and color features that are both in chrome trim and black trim. So go see your dealer, check out all the different color schemes, get on this bike and try that VVT and run that power band. I'm sure you'll be happy, because I am.
This has been the best journey we've been on in a while. I mean, look where we are.
Death Valley, man, looking over Badwater Basin. I can't believe it up here on Dante's View, but what a run we've had. I know you love that 2026 CVO Street Glide Limited, and I really enjoyed this 2026 Road Glide Limited. Man, they're made for touring, brother, I gotta tell you.
They sure are, and that's why we ride, and everyone else should go ride because it's fun. And you know what? Go to your local dealer, check these things out, touch them, feel them, see the colors.
And you gotta pull on that VVT, baby. You gotta feel that. And by the way, we hope you enjoyed this review. So stay tuned for more videos on this journey.
And with that, we'll see you down the road.